Hey friends, welcome back. So it is day 3 of the makeover, and what you're looking at is about 2 coats of stain. And I think it came out pretty good. It's a little bit redder than I wanted it to be, but um, it certainly looks better than what it used to. So today we're going to start on the rails. Now, this was the most time consuming part of the makeover. As you can see, each rail has 4 sides, so I had to make sure that I got all 4 sides evenly, and I had to make sure that I got into all the crevices and cracks and nooks and crannies. And yeah, this was time consuming, but like I did with everything else, I turned on my gospel music, I got in the zone, and I just knocked it out. And also, this wood is a different kind of wood than the bottom, so the stain takes differently. And the color was a little different, but that's okay. Again, it looks better than it looked before, so we're just gonna make it work. Okay, yeah, we have a problem. So, yeah, I almost quit actually. Now, I'm not sure what made me think I can come outside with the bugs and the squirrels and the chipmunks, but yeah, this had me rethinking the whole project, y'all. I am deathly afraid of spiders, and as you can see, we have a tarantula here. I'm deathly afraid of mice. There's all kind of squirrels out here, rabbits, chipmunks, and so yeah, I was second guessing this project at this time, but luckily I have some spray that it sprays kind of far, so I was able to stand back pretty far and drown this spider. So yeah, um, yeah, we had a small hiccup, and yeah, I'm sorry, Charlotte. I'm sorry. But anyway, that was taken care of, and we are moving on. And as you can see, I got more of it done. This is the end of day 3. And y'all, it even though it was early in the morning, it was hot. It was hot. But I managed to get all of the rails done. And I don't know if you can tell, but like I said, the wood's different on the rails than it is on the bottom. So it was a little bit lighter than the bottom, but I liked it. It came out pretty good. Okay. And then this is the other view. Now, this was the end of day 3. Day 4, my daughter came out and she helped me stain the bottom in between the rails, and we knocked that out in one day. But yeah, huge improvement. So, this is what my deck looked like before. It was pretty ugly, right? And you guys, I spent a total of about $65 on the stain. I already had a power washer. I already had the brushes and the tray and everything else I needed. So for me, this project was about $65. A lot of elbow grease, but just $65. And this, my friends, is the end project. I think it came out pretty good. So check it out. Now, I'm going to put up a screen, I believe, to block that morning sun. But yep, this is it. $65 for my makeover. Now, there's going to be a part 4. So subscribe and like and share it with somebody who also needs to do a deck makeover. All right, guys. I will see you for part 4.